How to turn on developer mode on Chrome OS. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up settings, and for that just simply go to the bottom left hand side corner and search for settings. After that simply open it up. After that click on the apps on the left hand side panel, then click on the option of Google Play Store. After that click on the option of manage Android preference, then click on the option of system. After that select about device, and there you will be able to find the option of build number. Simply tap on build number around 4 to 5 times, and you would be able to see that a text will appear saying that you are a developer now. Just simply get back and you will be able to see the developer options on the list. You need to do one more setting in order to do it properly. For that just simply click on the option of about Chrome OS on the left hand side panel. You will be able to find this particular option. After that select the option of additional details. Now select the option of change channel. Here you will be able to find the option of developer. Simply switch it to developer, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.